Chapter 7. Administering the Contract.
This chapter continues coverage of 7 specific contract administration functions that will require significant involvement by the Corps. The Corps will first need to ensure that the CO is notified immediately of the need for action related to these functions. Any delay in notifying the CO could greatly endanger the rights and remedies of the government. Next, the Corps will need to provide thorough and competent technical support in determining the best course of action when issues relating to these functions arise. Finally, it is essential that the Corps understand that these contract administration functions all have their foundation in technical considerations that rely heavily on the expertise of the Corps. The 7 specific contract administration functions with which the Corps will be involved are: Contract modifications. Most contracts will require modifications for numerous reasons. The Corps must identify the need to change the contract and must provide technical support as requested by the CO. Options. An option is the unilateral right of the government to purchase additional supplies or services, as provided in the contract. The Corps must provide technical assistance to ensure proper exercise of an option by the CO. Delays. The Corps will need to inform the CO of potential or actual delays and provide technical documentation regarding the delay. Stop work orders. The Corps has primary responsibility for identifying situations in which the CO should issue a stop work order to minimize government risk and avoid unnecessary costs. Claims. The Corps must notify the CO of potential disputes and assist the CO in resolving those disputes and processing formal claims, if needed. Remedies. In the event of a breach in the contract, the Corps must notify the CO, suggest an appropriate remedy for the breach, and assist in evaluating the contractor's response to the suggested remedy. Payment. The Corps will have responsibility for processing payment documents, assisting the CO in determining the amount properly payable, and authorizing payment.